So hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to your own Facebook page. In today's video, we are back again with the amazing craft series. So I really like these papers, so I just want them to be like that. But okay, you can make something really nice of them. So just cut the paper as shown here, and if I were you, na, I just be like, okay, I just don't want to do anything with the paper. But oh, nice. Okay, I can do this. Don't you think that this one looks really nice? I mean, wow. Okay. Like every girl wants ki like, oh, I'll be a designer one day. At one point of time we all thought like that, so be honest. I do. And yeah, so you can make your own dress. And now moving forward, what we are making here is just folding the paper as shown here. And oh, I made a boat like this when I was a child. And but we are making here these okay, I was trying to show what we are making in front of the camera, but I remind I just got to know that okay, the camera is not on, you can hear my voice. That's funny. Okay, now what we are making here is a crane, I guess. No, yes, no, yes, no. Okay, so we are making these fishes here, and you all know that we are so fond of fishes that we try to teach you in every different way and yeah, possible. Now taking again the sakura paper, and I have named it. You know, I name things so that you can actually remember them nicely. So oh, your butterfly is all done. Okay, this one is my favorite video because we are just teaching you so many damn good things. Yeah, I mean, we are teaching you how to make butterflies out of papers, how to make origami art is just something really great. Okay, so here we are making a grasshopper, and you can see two of them are already in the back, but we are teaching you how to make it, so the third one is on the way. Okay, it's done. Now moving forward, we are making, take this blue paper. Okay, I really like the color. Okay, we are making the dinosaurs here, and I was studying about them yesterday only, and see, today we are making them. Okay, so folding the paper, fold it guys, fold it. make it with us, so that will be really easy for you guys. And okay, our dinosaur is almost there. Keep waiting and watching, and done. Your dinosaur is done. Okay. Now moving forward, okay, I was just waiting for the bunnies to come up, and there they are, here they are. Okay, so fold the paper as we are doing here, and trust me, your bunny is going to be really cute. And done. See how easy it was. Now your sakura paper is back, and you can make your own basket with it. I really like this sakura paper. I just want so many of them in my house. I don't know even what to do, but yeah. But we are teaching you here, so you can actually make useful things with them. So just fold it as shown here, and your boxes are all done. Basket is actually done, or you can keep it as purse, whatever. So yeah, this one nice. This one was really nice. Now we are teaching you fishes again, but in a different style and a different way. Okay, so as I always say, keep folding, keep folding. Okay, fold your paper, and it's done. Easy peasy. Okay. So your origami dogs are on the way. Just fold the paper, fold it. Fold it guys. Okay, so okay, so your front part is all done. Now you just have to make the back of your dog. That sounds really strange and awkward, but yeah, so your doggy is done. Oh wow, these are doggy rings. Yeah, these are really nice. Thank you for bearing my voice. And keep learning and keep following.